Lots of big ed news last week. Maggie Hickey released a report on sexual misconduct at CPS, which was startling in the level of systems failures it revealed. The data from GoCPS came out, which the public was told was a single source of truth about where parents want to send their children, with the line we've heard from previous CEOs before school closures ramp up, which is parents are voting with their feet. It was also revealed that CPS has asked Kids First, formerly New Schools, formerly the Renaissance Fund, to do a report on the state of CPS schools. The public wasn't told about this, and it was leaked to reporters. There's a common thread through all of this, a lack of transparency and accountability at this district. Some info that was left out of the GoCPS PR release was that parents never had a say in the CPS high school design system. Parents were never asked if they wanted a well-resourced community school, or instead if CPS should embark on a half-baked portfolio system of school choice that now includes devastated neighborhood schools for many communities where quality options take precedence over equity. In case you missed it, CPS moved forward with the latter, dangling shiny objects in the faces of parents, setting up SBB, and creating a school rating system that is not an accurate reflection of an individual school. Further, you've never made yourselves responsible for providing a high-quality, equitable education for every child. While parents were given a common single app to fill out this fall, parents did not create the mess that is the CPS high school system, and we certainly never voted on anything that happened at this district. Parents would not have voted for our current CPS high school system, which is basically CPS choosing which schools to invest in and which ones to neglect. Our two asks: do not repeat anything like you did with the 50 school closings, and create a real facilities plan with real community members and parents and students.
Ms. Biggs?
I will conclude. Regarding the Hickey report, why has no one been held accountable for not protecting students? Why are the lawyers who interrogated students running the new $3 million department? In what ways will you prove to the public that you know how to put systems and structures in place to put kids and not the mayor's image first? Thank you.
Thank you.